Hello YouTube, so thought I'd just make a very quick update. So this is another E30 M3 project that we've basically just done some work to for a customer. So the customer came in, the front end was slightly out of shape, it had some sort of accident damage in its past and needed sort of considerable work to get it back to a good roadworthy condition. So the car went off to be pulled on a body jig, and then we had to just correct some body work when it came back, just do some welding as well in the engine bay, get ready for the S54 conversion that the customer wanted to carry out. So now the conversion, basically the customer brought the car to us, fix the engine bay and paint the engine bay, mount the S54 in on our subframe kit, and then he's going to take it away and do all the plumbing up of himself. So he's going to get obviously the bodywork finished up somewhere else as well. But I just sort of do a little YouTube video just showing the S54 lump in there, and obviously freshly painted engine bay. So obviously the painters are going to paint the rest of the car eventually once he's finished all the work. But our part is done up to this point. We've got our subframe kit in there. It's the 4-stud or E30 M3 original 5-stud suspension in there on the car. So I'll just see if I can get a shot from just there showing the engine mounts. So this has got the 6-speed S54 gearbox bolted to the engine. Again, our oil pan mod for the left-hand drive. This left-hand drive steering rack, purple tag steering rack in there. So like I say, the customer's now going to take the car away, finish the conversion himself, plumb everything up, and get the car finished up and run and roadworthy. But we're happy to have done the work, and very happy the car is going out with a very nice condition engine bay, all the fabrication done, finished, and all the welding done and finished and painted. So yeah, just a nice little colour combo. I think the customer is going to stay the silver, I'm not 100% certain, but as you can see, it's got quite a good spec, this car. It's got big Willwood brakes on it, and it's got coilover suspension on there. Obviously all the body work needs to be done, the car needs to be fully painted, inside and out, everything needs to be lined up for a final fit. But yeah, just thought I'd share the video. You guys might like to see another E30 M3 S54 being created. Thank you. If you like what you see, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and there are many more videos to look at. Hope you enjoy them. Cheers, take care, bye bye.